So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and submit work using Google Classroom. So as you can see, I have a test classroom here with a couple of assignments that are due. So if I enter the classroom, the first thing you'll see is in the stream, you'll see the two assignments. One's handing in work and the other one's uploading. Now, if I click straight on these, it will take me right through to the assignment itself. And you can see on the right-hand side, I've got the two documents. If you click on these, they'll load into a separate tab. So in this tab, you'll see here's a slide. It's asking me to write my name in the slide. So there's my name. That's that one done. Now on this, you'll see I've only got share and present. I don't need to share this with the teacher. It's already done. So I've finished that one. I can close that. Now in here, in the Google Doc, it has a turn in button, which actually allows you to turn in straight from the document. So there's a distinct difference there. This one has a turn in button, whereas slides doesn't. So complete this document. Okay, so I can say that's finished. Now I can either turn it in here, or I can go back to the assignment and you can see I have a hand in button here. So if I click the hand in button, that then submits it to the teacher. It'll attach both documents and I can hand it in just like that. Okay, if you need to send a message to your teacher as well, there's this private comments box just below that, which will allow you to send a message just between you and your teacher. Now, for the other assignment about uploading a document to Google Classroom, so this looks very much similar. It says upload a picture or document to Google Classroom, and instead of the document already being there, there's an add or create button. When you click on the add or create, you have the option of attaching a file either from Google Drive, a web link, or a file, as you can see, or you can create a new document and then submit it in the same way. But if I click on the file button, it will load a document, load a box like this that allows you to attach a document of your choosing, and you just go hunting through your computer to find a document that's suitable. I'm just going to find the first thing. It's a screenshot from yesterday, so that'll do there. So click open, upload it to Classroom. This will take a few seconds, and then once it's uploaded, you have the option to mark it as done. So it's just finishing uploading that now. That button changes to hand in, and then you hand in. And that is how you upload work to Google Classroom.